everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am checking in with a really quick video about growing turmeric. Now, this is a plant that I really dove into last year, and it was super easy, and I couldn't believe actually all that I harvested. And we've been eating it all winter long. I especially like adding turmeric to rice, makes everything kind of bright yellow. It's super good for you, and it's a beautiful tropical rhizome that again is super easy to grow. Now, I found 4 varieties last week at the Georgia Organics trade show, and I got these at Southern Exposure Seed Exchange, which is one of my all-time favorite seed suppliers. The really cool thing is they offer a lot more than just seeds. And they had yellow, I actually wrote on the tubers, yellow, BKK, which is this really small one. This apparently has the best medicinal qualities, white, and red. So I'm just going to get these planted. It's super early in the season. It's still like February, even though it feels like June. And all I'm gonna do is put these into 4-inch pots that I'm reusing. They're filled with Soil Cube Veggie Mix, which is a fantastic new product that I highly recommend. And basically planting them is really simple. I am just going to put them right in the middle and bury them just a little bit, and then I'll be sure to label each pot so that I can actually keep track. Now, I'm gonna keep these here on my sunny brick patio, and as we have temperature fluctuations in the coming months, they'll come into the heated shed and then they'll come back outside when we're frost free. That's the easiest way to get a jump on the season. I don't know exactly how long it'll take for these to initiate growth. I'm guessing probably somewhere between 4 and 6 weeks before I see any foliage development, but you'll have to subscribe to keep up with all of the updates. Now, another shout out to Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. You know, I love growing peanuts. Sometimes sourcing peanuts can be a little bit challenging. I was thrilled to see that Southern Exposure is offering 3 different varieties of peanuts. I've got Trance's Deep Black, Fastigiata Pinstriped, and Tennessee Red Valencia. These are 3 varieties that I've never grown, but I know that they will do really, really well here on my sandy former tobacco field in central North Carolina, Zone 7. So again, be sure to subscribe so that you will be updated on when I get these peanuts planted, likely not until after Memorial Day. Peanuts like really hot soil. They can be grown in containers. I'll probably grow some in pots and some in the ground. So subscribe for updates. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these turmeric planted, and I'm really excited to be able to be sharing this experience with all of you, because after all, growing some unusual crops is really what makes the season extra special. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody.